Introduction to Satellite Rideshare Launches.
Satellite rideshare launches have revolutionized access to space. By grouping multiple satellites from different organizations on a single rocket, commercial companies make it possible for startups and small businesses to send their payloads into orbit at a fraction of the traditional cost. This collaborative approach has opened new opportunities in space for companies that previously faced insurmountable financial barriers.
The rise of commercial launch providers.
Commercial launch companies like SpaceX, Rocket Lab, and others have developed vehicles and services dedicated to shared payload missions. Instead of booking an entire rocket, customers can now purchase space for their satellite on a flight already scheduled to a specific orbit, lowering costs and speeding up timelines for deployment.
How rideshare works, a step-by-step overview.
Rideshare launches are coordinated by aggregating many satellites into a single launch. Specialized deployers arrange the satellites on the rocket. After reaching orbit, each payload is released according to a predetermined sequence. This careful orchestration ensures satellites reach their intended locations safely, all while maximizing the efficiency and affordability of the launch.
Benefits for startups and small businesses.
Affordability and flexibility are the main advantages rideshare offers to smaller companies. Instead of investing millions in a dedicated launch, organizations can reserve a smaller slot based on their requirements. This allows emerging space businesses to demonstrate technology, gather data, and operate in orbit without the heavy financial burden of traditional launch options.
The expanding future of rideshare launches.
Satellite rideshare launches continue to grow in demand and capability. Innovations like dedicated small satellite launchers and frequent rideshare missions are making space even more accessible. As launch providers improve schedules and offer more destinations, the path for startups and small businesses to participate in the space economy becomes increasingly open.